Hello, this is Mr. Bettis. I'm the principal of Surprise Lake Middle School. I'm going to give you a little video tour of the greatest school in the history of ever. Here we have the Commons and the main office. Just on your right, you'll meet our attendance secretary and our office manager. My office is just a little farther over there. Wave hi to Miss Reiser. Ah, there she is. And Miss Greer. Both fabulous ladies that can help you while you're at Surprise Lake Middle School. What you see here is the gym on the left and the Commons on the right. This is where we lunch. We'll have all sorts of other activities there as well. All right, let's head on upstairs and check out some classrooms. Right here at Surprise Lake Middle School, you'll find that we have two cross-curricular teams for our 6th grade students. We have Team Baker and Team Glacier. This is the Team Baker wing that we're looking at. Those Team Baker will have the same 5 academic core teachers, and they are right there. This is Mrs. Mendoza. Hi, Mrs. Mendoza and her lovely class. She's our English teacher. So if you take a look, that was the English teacher. Now we have our science classroom. And then if we go over here, this is our connections classroom. I'll talk a little bit more about that. Over in the corner, we have math. And right there, we have social studies. And when we waved to Mrs. Mendoza, that was her class. Down the wing is just to Team Glacier. So that would be the other cross-curricular team. Here's our science classroom, our English classroom, our social studies classroom, math classroom. And on the other side of there is Miss Satterley's lovely connections classroom. Everybody say hi to Miss Satterley's class. There we go. There you go. They wave. Surprise Lake has all kinds of cool little features. Like this is just outside of Mr. Ross's classroom. You can see some of his stuff on display as well as the pride cards that we give out. I'll tell you more about that later. This is one example of the science classroom. Here's Mr. Ross's class out on our courtyard, which is just a really cool feature that has direct access to from our classrooms. And just inside there is the Commons that we looked at earlier. This is the wonderful Collaborative Learning and Innovation Center. It's kind of like a library, but with the added bonus of a maker space and a space for collaboration and conversation. We better say hi to Mrs. Kasner here while we're in here. Hi, Mrs. Kasner. That wood that you see right there is the wood from the old Surprise Lake Middle School. And above there is a mezzanine that looks over. Now let's take a look at the gym, which is absolutely amazing. Here's Mrs. Sandlin and a few students doing some dance while Mr. Scheidt is out on the field. And for those of you that are going to be in music, here's Mr. Miles. And this is actually our band room. And for those of you that are going to be in art, this is our art class and the amazing Mrs. Gibson. And while we're checking out our elective spaces, this is Mr. Garrett's classroom. He teaches technology, engineering, robotics, all kinds of fun stuff like that. Say hi to the students. There you go. Well, that wraps up our 3-minute and 43-second tour of the greatest school in the history of ever. I can't wait to show it to you in person.